Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear students. Welcome you all. The online class of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Hope all of you are fine. You are staying at your home safely and also doing your studies very well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. So thanks to the Almighty for that. And we all hope to overcome the present situation that is going on. Of course, the Almighty will help us. We do believe that. And my dear learners, I think you all are maintaining the rules of health to avoid COVID-19. Let us start our class. Okay, before that, let me introduce myself. I am Sabrina Islam, Assistant Teacher, English. So, our today's class is on English for today, and the class is for the students of class 7. Dear girls, I think you all have your EFT book with you, and also you have pens and pencils so that you can do as the directions given here. Okay, all of you look here. What can you see here? Yes, you can see here a shop. And there you can also see 3 students are there. So here are some questions. What kinds of things do you find in the shop? I think all of you know there are different types of shops. There are some shops from where you can buy grocery things. Then there are some kinds of shops where you can find your study materials or writing materials. What are the students doing here? I think all of you can understand. The students are looking for their necessary things. And who is the shopkeeper? Can you see any shopkeeper here? No, there is no shopkeeper. So today we'll know about 2 types of shop. One is fixed price shop, another one is morality shop. And these lessons are from unit 4 of your EFT book. So all of you open your EFT book and come here at unit 4, lessons 4 and 5. Okay, before going to the text, we should know some unknown words so that the text, we can understand the text easily. So there are some words, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first 5 words are from lesson 4 and the last 3 words are from lesson 5. Okay, all of you have a look at these words and their meanings. Stationery. Okay, all of you look here so that you can understand it easily. Stationery means writing and other office materials. And this word is a noun form. You know, pen, pencil, then ink, staples, eraser, all these things are writing, or you can say office materials, paper, etc. Bargain, it can be a noun and also it can be a verb. What does it mean? A thing bought or offered for sale much more cheaply than is usual or expected. That means when we try to buy something in cheap, that is called bargaining. Next one, haggle. Dispute or bargain persistently, especially over the cost of something. That means you want to buy something at a cheaper rate. That is called, that activity is called haggle. Offer. Present something for someone to accept or reject as desired. Agree on. It's the verb form. and it means to share the same opinion about items, topics, or any standard. Price tag. I think you all know that very well. A label showing the price of an item for sale. If you go to a fixed price shop, there, if you want to buy something, uh, you will see that there is a label where the price is written. Okay, conscience, what is that? It's a noun form. A person's moral sense of right and wrong, viewed as acting as a guide to one's behavior. That means it helps you to understand what is right and what is wrong. It will help you what you should do and what you should not do. That thing is called conscience. And the last word, that is prick. What does it mean? It's a verb form to cause sharp mental pain. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you have clear idea about these words. Now, all of you look at your EFT book. You can read from there also. Read the text and then you will do something, some exercises. Before that, you should read these dialogue. That is Miss Shahana Huda is talking to the students about a new kind of shop. Okay, I am not reading it out. Please, all of you, read this silently. I think you all have already gone through these text of your EFT book. So now, all of you look here, what is there? Yes, this is the exercise that is given in your EFT book. The questions 1, 2, 3, 4 are very much easy questions. Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? I think all of you like to do that, like to go shopping. So write down, yes, I go shopping. Then mention the place of that shop. For example, the shop is at the new market, like that. What do you usually buy? Okay, you can write as you like. For example, if I go to a grocery shop, I buy biscuits, then rice, oil, then these things you can write down. Do you bargain? Why do you do that? Yes, I bargain. I do that to get my desired things at a cheaper rate. Or I want to do that to know the real price of those things. Right in that way. Number 4, do you know about a fixed price shop? Where is it? Where does it sell? Sorry, what does it sell? So I think you all know there are many fixed price shops in our city. So name any one of them and write down what are the things you find there. That means what does it sell? So all of you, I think you have done it. You have done it. So I want to go to the next lesson. That is lesson 5, morality shop. Read the conversation to know about the morality shop. Okay, what is the conversation here? Today I am going to tell you about a new kind of shop where there will be no shopkeeper. The price of each item of thing will be written on a small piece of paper. This price tag will be attached to the item or items. You will pick an item you like, look at the price tag and put the money in the box kept there. And the thing is now yours. The students are not clear about this kind of shop. They know that a shop always has a shopkeeper, so they are confused. Okay, then from the students, one of them responds. In that case, someone may take a thing and go away without paying. Then Shahana, their teacher, replied, nobody will do that. If anybody does, it will be stealing. Another one said, who will see them stealing? Then again from their teacher, conscience. Do you know what conscience is? Okay, there is something in your mind called conscience. Yes, we know the meaning of this word. It tells you whether your actions are right or wrong. Is stealing a right thing or a wrong thing? Okay, all the students replied, wrong thing. Shahana again said, then your conscience will tell you this is a wrong thing. You must not do that. If you steal or do a bad thing, your conscience will prick you and trouble you, and you will never have your peace of mind. So to be a good and happy person, you should have a clear conscience. I think you all have understood that this conscience is very much important for anyone. Actually, without it, you can't understand, you can't enjoy your mental peace. So we all should have a clear conscience to lead a happy life. Okay, I think all of you have understood this. Okay, now all of you look here. Let's do the exercises of your EFT book. And this is given in section, yes, section A. After the text, pick the best answers to the following multiple choice questions. There are 3 questions, and for each question, there are 3 choices. The students are confused. The underlined words mean they can think clearly, they cannot understand, are unable to speak. Okay, all of you, try to find out the correct answer here. Number 2, when you buy a thing from a morality shop, what will you do? You pay the money to the office, pay the money later, put the money in the shop. Number 3, a person with a clear conscience. Okay, there are also 3 choices. Usually does the wrong thing, always gets confused, always does the right thing. So all of you mark in your EFT book or write down in your khata the answers of these 3 questions. Okay, I think all of you have done this. So I have marked those here. Yes, the first one, the students are confused. The underlined words mean they cannot understand. When you can't understand anything, in that case, you become confused. Number 2, when you buy a thing from a morality shop, what will you do? Of course, you put the money in the shop. Third one, a person with a clear conscience always does the right thing. These are the correct answers. All of you match your answers with my one. Okay, I think you have completed this one. Next, okay, another exercise. 2 questions are here. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a morality shop? Okay, we have already understood about morality shop. What type of shop is this one? Next one, what kind of shop will you prefer? A fixed price shop or a morality shop? Why? Write down the reason. So the first one I have done for you, the advantages and the disadvantages. Look here, advantages is written here. A morality shop is free from bargaining. It's a place to test our morality. Next one, it helps one to have a clear conscience. So these are the 3 advantages I have got about a morality shop. Next, disadvantages. Have a look here. In a morality shop, there is no way if change is needed. Actually, if you need to change, there is no way for that. That means you have to pay the exact amount that are required there. Okay, it provides the opportunity of stealing. Here stealing is here one B E S T E. I think you all understand this. Yes, stealing. Here will be one E S T E A L I N G. Okay. Next, and here this I will not be there. It helps one to have a clear conscience. Okay, I have cutting. Okay, I am cutting it. This will not be there. So these are the two disadvantages here, and we have got three advantages. So there is one question, another question for you. What kind of shop will you prefer? A fixed price shop or a morality shop? Why? If you ask me, I will answer in that way. Actually, I will prefer a fixed price shop because this is also free from bargaining, and there we can know the things we like to buy from the shopkeeper, which is not possible in a morality shop. And also we can change there in a fixed price shop. So you can write what you like, fixed price shop or morality shop. Okay, I think you have understood this one. So what is there? Next, okay, now think about a situation. Suppose you are alone in the school year. Suddenly you find a 100 taka note lying on the ground. What will you do? Okay, I will. There are three options. There are three choices. Pick up the money and hand it to the head teacher. Pick up the money and quickly put it in my pocket. Leave the note where it is lying. Okay, I think you all will choose this one, the first one. Okay, yes. Pick up the money and hand it to the head teacher. Or you can also do it, leave the note where it is lying. But I think it will be the best thing what you should do. Okay, so all of you, I think you all have completed these tasks. Now there is a homework for you. Discuss in groups and write an answer to this question. Is it possible to open a morality shop in your school? You may discuss the following points or issues: permission, things or items, money, fund, how to prevent stealing. Okay, you will be glad to hear that we have uh, a shop like that is called Shopify store in our school. So, my dear students of class 7, if you want to do that when the school will be opened, you can do it. So for that, you can discuss it about this with your friends over telephone and give your opinion here. Try to write down how it can be possible and what are the things you can do for that. All of you, this is your homework. Try to do this. And again, wear a mask, protect yourself, and clean your hands, and also keep a safe distance. Thank you all. Thank you all for attending the class. Allah Hafiz.